How to fix error on Bumble when uploading a new profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to solve how we can fix error on Bumble whenever we're uploading a new profile picture. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. To fix the errors whenever you're uploading a new profile picture, first of all ensure that the photo meets Bumble's guidelines, like a clear, forward-facing, no underage individuals, no inappropriate content. If the photo is being rejected, you can try retrying in better lighting, removing any potential face obstructions, and ensuring the pose matches the example. Now, whenever you're trying to upload a new profile picture also, and you're still facing the issue within here, ensure that your internet connection is working just fine. If that's not helping, uninstall the Bumble app and reinstall it again, or go to your Play Store or App Store, ensure the Bumble app is updated to the latest version, and make sure to update it. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.